Okay, I don't know when this started, but my hair gradually is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger whenever I let it air dry. And it's not just here in the front, but you can see it's got like straight pieces and wavy pieces, and under here super curly pieces, but the back as well is pretty insane. And so I am so thankful that my trusty Remington straightener that I have had for more than a few years is still awesomely going strong. So I'll just show you how I use it to get rid of this huge hair. Okay, so you can see I have a whole bunch of my hair piled and clipped on top of my head. Then I just brush out the bottom bits, and yeah, it's pretty floofy here. Okay, grab the straightener, and because I do have quite thick hair, I just grab kind of little bits at a time and slowly go all the way down. And like I said, I've had this straightener forever. I mean for at least 4 or 5 years, and it has not failed me one time. It is so fantastic. It heats up so quickly, which is fabulous, and it doesn't damage my hair, which is even more fabulous. So highly recommend. If you can get yourself a Remington, do it. I'm sure the quality is just as good now as it was then. And the last bit there, and look at how straight and lovely is my hair now. It is no longer big and poofy, and I'm a bit overheated though because it takes me about 10 minutes with this, and it's summertime, it's hot. But now it's time to finish off my lovely locks with John Frieda Frizzies, and I've actually been using this product since the 90s when I actually had very, very short hair, and isn't that cute? They match. They're both purple, but this 4-in-1 now, it was 3-in-1 in the 90s, now it's 4-in-1 serum is awesome. And you just put a couple of pumps in your hand. That's it, not very much. That bottle lasts me forever. Rub it around, and I start under the under part of my hair here, and then go over all the way down to the ends. And when I have just a little bit left, I do my center part like so. And let's flip it back, and you can have a look at the back. Lovely. What is it that they always do in the commercials? They like put their arm under and then shake their hair down like that, or like this. Lovely.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.